Okie dokie. We're back on, family. Come on, let's go.
You can just get on there.
We have to find new batteries, but we found them, and now we're good to go. There's no line for this. Yeah, yes, use your little ducks. Look over here. Yo, go back here, Queen.
This way, puppy.
Santana, over here.
Over here.
We got enough ducks for all of us to race. This side. No, you got to put them on that side. Right here. There you go. You put your duck right here, and then. Wait, no. Wait. First, you got to all put the ducks in. And then Nina and Santana, and then you got to push the water, and the water makes it go.
My 3 ducks.
Don't start the water until you all have ducks lined up.
My 3
They're
ducks.
over here, look.
My 3 ducks.
Okay, there's one right here. There's one right here. Come on. Okay, just use one, Santana.
My red one.
Here, there's some right here. Wait. Santana has to come too. Oh, okay. You ready? Okay, wait. Then let me scoot over then too. 1, 2, 3. Ah, my ducks beat your ducks by like a mile. Bring them back. Let's do it again. You suck. You lost. Bring them all back. You little weenies. Bring mine back too. Yours is on this side. Bring mine back too. Wait, let me get my duck. You little cheaters. We're supposed to be. Wait. Oh, you little cheater, go. Ow, I hit my hand. That hurt. Santana won because he got a head start. Cheaters. Can you bring my duck back, please? Bring my duck back too, weenie. No! Wait. All of us start at the same time.
Never.
At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, come on, you fucking nuts! Go! I win! Yes, I think Queen won.
I won 2.
I think we tied. Can you bring my duck back too? Ready?
Right there.
Go.
Put your duck right there with that.
Go. Come on, go. I beat you.
I won.
I'm done. Come on, let's go through the other game. Come on, grab them. They're both right there. Did you grab both of them? Okay, come on. Let's try a different game. Come on.
Yeah, well, there's not enough for everybody. We gotta give everybody.
Come on. You guys made it too fun.
That was fun though.
It was pretty dope. Oh, my
You
stomach.
take that back.
Okay, go. Oh my God, I don't want to do that. The line is too long.
Guys, that one's too long.
Can we cut through? I want to go to the popcorn.
Ah!
Excuse me, sorry, thank you.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Right here, this is a noisemakers. You make music with these things.
Yes.
Hey, where's the cotton candy?
Over there.
Okay, play them drums. Let him play them. Let him go first. Come on, go to another one. We'll come back right there later.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, play with these ones over here.
What's a corn box?
I don't know.
Wait.
There's corn in there. Go in there. I'll record you right there.
I don't think I can fit in that hole, but it
Oh my God, it's corn.
Go, Caleb.
What are the bags for?
Oh
Nina, here, take the camera with you. I can't go in there. Just record what's in there.
Look, you guys, there's corn everywhere. I'm gonna dig up some corn to eat. Okay, so we got corn.
What's in there?
Corn!
It's all corn.
Look!
Oh my God.
Who's that? Mom, where are you?
Okay,
You're behind me.
Come on, cornies.
Ah!
No! Don't do that.
Oh, God!
Get out of What did I do to you? You poured corn all over my camera. Oh no, I think you should get out of there. Come on, Santana, get out of there. Those kids are throwing corn at each other. I know, I want to, but Santana's being a nutbag. Play them all, play them all. Let me play this one's up here.
You playing down here. I like the sound of this one. Cool.
Where's Caleb?
He went back in there. In the corn box.
Here, hold this.
There's a little slide right there.
Can you hold this real quick? Sorry.
In there, Nina. Go see if he's behaving and not throwing things around.
How do they do that? I want to know. This plays the drums.
Every single second.
I like that one the best. That's where the cotton candy's at.
Let's go get some pumpkins.
I'd rather not.
Come on, let's keep moving.
By the country store. there's pumpkins.
Pumpkins? You want to buy a pumpkin?
What the heck? There's a bunch of corn in my pocket.
Hey, some kid put corn all over my camera.
Come on, Caleb.
Okay, come on. How come you didn't go on the slide?
Yes.
That one over there, look it. There's a slide right
Caleb, you want to go on that?
there.
Daddy, you want to get one?
What is that? Homemade candy? Hey, wait.
It's good.
Come on, Santana.
I like that one.
I'm sorry.
Worm? Yeah.
They look pretty good. Those are pretty sour. The candy that Nina gave me? You felt that too, right? Yeah? My car don't fit. There they are. Look, and there's nobody over here.
I don't want cotton candy. I want cotton candy. There's corn in my shoe and it feels so uncomfortable.
To the line? Take too long. What is this thing right here?
Feels good.
They sell cotton candy here?
I don't want to get cotton candy.
It's for mom.
Oh, it's pretty.
I don't like it.
Oh, what? Tickets?
Yeah.
For what?
I know, I read those are tickets. Tickets.
What activities?
Hey, you.
Oh. Look, there's the tires that you said you wanted to go on.
Yes, I want to go on them.
Well, we could stand in line. Come on, just stand in the line on one of them or something.
Come on. Let's wait over here.
Oh, dang it, that one was the size that one.
Oh, you're so awesome. Thank you. Let me record you. Wait. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run.
Don't go hurt yourself.
Don't fall now. There.
Donnie! Donnie, go back! Over here!
There you
Okay,
go.
no, I wanna go.
Let Nina go. Let Nina go.
After you, me and Nina get to go 2 times. Oh my god, Dad. Oh my god.
Nope.
Wait.
Let her go. Go. Finish it off so you can go again.
We both go. We both can go 3
Okay,
times.
go back the other way now.
I can't see a thing.
We both can go 3
The
times.
reflection of the sun. It's so nice though. It's a beautiful view. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
No. Caleb! That was Dad, not me.
I want to try it.
Boom!
I want to try it.
Wait,
Let mommy try it.
If I fall,
Hey Queen, can you take the camera in there with you as you try it?
I want to take it when I do it.
Check it out, everybody. Queen's gonna do it.
fucking push it.
Don't put your fingers there. You're gonna smash yourself.
No.
Go. Hurry!
Ow! Nina!
Hey, she's doing the Lady Gaga slow motion thing. She's like,
You're gonna piss me off.
I am Lady fucking Psycho Gaga.
We're not pushing you.
It's you by your.
We're not. We're over here standing here. She's like, stop.
But I smash my hands if they're up here.
If it went around.
Caleb, stop. I'm not trying to push him. Just push
Ow! Stop, you're gonna make me fall.
him. Go, Mom.
Move, I'm getting out. Stop!
Get out, Mom.
I want to flip upside down on it.
You guys suck. You can't even let somebody try it right.
Wait, he's gonna hurt himself. Dad, no, Nina.
Both of you at the same time?
No. Oh my God. Give me the camera.
No, you're going to break it.
Caleb, what are you doing? You're gonna get crushed.
Gonna get hurt?
You got to stand up. You guys are dumb.
Get out. I'm filming you. Get out.
Here, I think I could turn myself upside down on it.
No, I want to.
I'll hold on and you guys make it go till I turn upside down. Here, hold it.
You're gonna smash your face.
Get down, Santana. Get down, Nina. All right.
Move.
I'm gonna get back in after.
Okay, make it go, Nina.
Yeah, and then fucking fall. Exactly.
Okay, I got scared, but let me do it again. This time I won't get scared. Go.
My turn.
Okay, wait.
Move.
Okay, if I could grab the top. Go.
You're gonna smash your fingers. That's what you're gonna do.
Dad. My turn.
You gotta keep it going.
My turn.
You just gotta push it fast.
Nah, Nina. You're gonna hurt him.
Let me do it.
Thank you, man. Much love, family. Peace.